What is up, guys? It's me, Bravo. Yes, sorry for not recording for 2 days because the power was gone. Yeah.
Guys, is this joking? The power was not gone.
Don't believe this stupid girl.
Hey, yo, chill, boy.
Whatever, this is my little sister's. Yeah.
And this dome, this hair. This hair is boring.
Yeah, what kind of doll is this?
Hey, yo, chill.
Whatever, bruh. Next year I'm going to
Hey, yo, I'm doing
fourth
this
grade.
and I swear.
Yes, I'm going to fourth grade.
I'm doing this.
I'm going to fourth grade. Yeah, I'm going to fourth grade next year.
Hey, yo, where are you going? Hey, yo.
Yes, sir. Look, guys, when it's 2020, 2029, 2029, 2029, when it's 2029, I'm thinking about going to fish. Dad, so when it's 2029, we're going to hunt. Yeah, we're going to hunt. And I promise that I'm gonna make a video about I'm going to Limpopo. So, see you guys. Bye. Love you.